Welcome Lynn Hurt of Spartan to a brief video demonstration of the Japan Unix desktop soldering system sold and serviced by Fancord Industries. You've already seen our robot at the trade show, Lynn, so we're going to forego pointing out all the individual components, with the exception of a new feature that we've added to our desktop robots, which is a small S-video camera that is connected to a 17-inch monitor, and very nice visual aid for jogging, finding position, and actually watching it solder. Another thing I wanted to mention too is that we encountered two different type pins here. Some are on the ground plane, some are not. So we decided to group them together and do all the non-ground pins first, and then the ground pins second, and they're all in the same program, but it's two different soldering conditions. And we still may need to tweak these conditions a little to get the optimum amount of solder that you want on the pins, but we're going to run this and then we'll take a break and run the second half. Okay, let's watch it solder your part.
Video might be too long for YouTube. I see that solder up on those pins. Want to comment on that?
We have to change the angle of the iron.
Is that on all of the pins?
On some, not all.
Yeah, why don't you say something about that? You can change it in the next next one. Too steep an angle? Not the tip though. Probably enough to edit out some of this. It's gonna be too big a video.
It's long.
It's about 5 minutes so far. Still quicker than their operators probably.
Oh, yeah.
As long as we can give them consistency.
We got like 3 or 4 more, I think.
I think I'll do it in 2 separate videos because of the length. Say something that because of the length of the video, they may have eliminated some of the pins being soldered. That the last one? Okay.
Okay.
Good. Say something.
Okay, Lynn, that finishes the video. We're gonna have to send the video probably in 2 parts, and we have to shorten it a little. There's a lot of pins, I believe 56 pins total. And I noticed that we were dragging some solder up on the pins when we, after we soldered the pins, and I think that we can very easily correct that by changing the angle of the iron to go to a steeper angle so that when the iron retracts it doesn't drag solder up the pin. That just about does it. So thanks very much for your time, and hopefully we can get more samples and we can tweak it and get it perfect.